four-engine jet airliner manufactured by Airbus. It is the world's largest passenger airliner. Many airports have upgraded their facilities to accommodate it because of its size. Initially named Airbus A380, Airbus designed the aircraft to challenge Boeing's monopoly in the large aircraft market. The A380 made its first flight on the 27th of April 2005 and entered commercial service in October 2007 with Singapore Airlines. The A380's upper deck extends along the entire length of the fuselage, with a width equivalent to a wide-body aircraft. This gives the A380-800 cabin 478 square meters of floor space, which is 40% more than the next largest airliner, the Boeing 747-8, and provides seating for 525 people in a typical 3-class configuration or up to 853 people in an all-economy class configuration. The A380-800 has a design range of 15,700 kilometers, sufficient to fly non-stop from Dubai to Los Angeles, and a cruising speed of Mach 0.85. As of February 2014, Airbus has received 324 firm orders and delivered 124 aircraft. Emirates has the most of 380s on firm order with 140 development background. In the summer of 1988, a group of Airbus engineers led by Gene Roeder began work in secret on the development of an ultra-high-capacity airliner, both to complete its own range of products and to break the dominance that Boeing had enjoyed in this market segment since the early 1970s with its 747. McDonnell Douglas unsuccessfully offered its smaller, double-deck MD-12 concept for sale. Roeder was given approval for further evaluations of the UHCA after a formal presentation to the President and CEO in June 1990. The megaproject was announced at the 1990 Farnborough Air Show, with the stated goal of 15% lower operating costs than the 747-400. Airbus organized 4 teams of designers, one from each of its partners, to propose new technologies for its future aircraft designs. The designs would be presented in 1992 and the most competitive designs would be used. In January 1993, Boeing and several companies in the Airbus consortium started a joint feasibility study of an aircraft known as the Very Large Commercial Transport, aiming to form a partnership to share the limited market. This joint study was abandoned 2 years later, Boeing's interest having declined because analysts thought that such a product was unlikely to cover the projected $15 billion development cost. Despite the fact that only 2 airlines had expressed public interest in purchasing such a plane, Airbus was already pursuing its own large plane project.